The United States House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi embarks on a tour of Asia with no mention of visiting Taiwan. Maven Dog will tell us why live. Good evening, Maeve.
Good evening, Elsie. U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi will be leading a congressional delegation to visit countries including Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, and Japan. The trip aims to focus on mutual security, economic partnership, and democratic governance in the Indo-Pacific region.
As a West Coast person, we see the Pacific as that's our home. We're part of that as well. That is not to diminish the importance of our transatlantic relationships as well. But I'm very excited. Should we go to the countries that you'll be hearing about along the way about how the conversations we have now.
Elsie, it was not specified whether Ms. Pelosi will make stops at other countries during the tour, amid speculations that she might visit the Chinese-claimed island of Taiwan. Last week, Chinese President Xi Jinping warned his U.S. counterpart President Joe Biden against playing with fire over Taiwan, stressing that China firmly opposes Taiwanese independence and the interference of external forces. The United States does not have official diplomatic ties with Taiwan, but is obliged by law to provide the nation with the means to defend itself. Mr. Biden clarified with Mr. Xi that U.S. policy on Taiwan has not changed and that the U.S. strongly opposes unilateral efforts to undermine peace across the Taiwan Strait. Back to you, Elsie.
Thank you, Maven Dog, for that live report.